If you're a homeowner in Pasadena, Texas, you know how important it is to keep your home efficient, comfortable, and secure, especially with our hot, humid summers and unpredictable storms. Replacing old or damaged windows is one of the smartest ways to improve your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and even its resale value. But before starting your project, it's important to understand the true cost of window replacement and the factors that affect it. Why consider window replacement in Pasadena? In Southeast Texas, the weather can be tough on windows. High humidity, frequent rain, and occasional hurricanes can wear down window frames, cause leaks, and reduce insulation. Older single-pane or poorly sealed windows can also lead to higher energy bills, indoor drafts, and even moisture damage. By upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows, you can better insulate your home, protect against storms, and lower monthly utility costs, all while making your home more attractive. Average cost of window replacement in Pasadena, TX. The typical cost to replace windows in Pasadena ranges from $450 to $1,000 per window, including materials and professional installation. However, your actual cost may vary depending on several factors. Type of window. Different window styles come with different price tags. Single-hung or double-hung windows, $450 to $700. Sliding windows, $500 to $800. Casement or awning windows, $600 to $1,000. Bay or bow windows, $1,500 to $2,500 plus frame material. Vinyl, the most affordable and low-maintenance option. Aluminum, durable and popular in Texas, but less energy efficient. Wood or fiberglass, more expensive, but offer a premium appearance and performance. Glass feature. In Texas, energy-efficient glass is a must. Look for double or triple pane windows, low E, low emissivity, coating, argon or krypton gas filled. These features help reflect heat and UV rays, keeping your home cooler in summer and reducing your HVAC costs. Labor and installation. Labor costs in Pasadena, TX typically range from $100 to $300 per window, depending on the complexity of the job. If your home is older or the window openings need resizing or repairs, this will add to the total. Additional costs to consider. Your permits. In Pasadena, a permit may be required if you're modifying the window structure. Permit costs can vary but typically run around $75 to $200. Storm or impact-resistant glass. In hurricane-prone areas, investing in impact-rated windows is a smart move for protection, though it may add $100 to $300 per window. Window disposal. Some contractors include this in their quote. Others charge $20 to $50 per window for disposal of old units. Tips to make the most of your investment. Go energy efficient. Energy Star rated windows can significantly reduce your monthly electricity bills, especially important in the hot Texas climate. Get multiple quotes. Don't settle for the first estimate. Talk to at least 2 or 3 local window contractors to compare pricing and materials. Work with local pros. Contractors familiar with Pasadena's building codes and Gulf Coast climate can guide you to the best products for your home. Ask about warranties and rebates. Many manufacturers offer extended warranties on frames and glass, and you may qualify for local energy efficiency rebates or financing programs. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows in Pasadena, TX is a smart investment that offers both immediate comfort and long-term value. Whether you're trying to lower your energy bills, prepare for storm season, or modernize the look of your home, new windows can make a big impact. By understanding the costs and working with a trusted local professional, you can make confident choices that deliver lasting results and a more energy-efficient, beautiful home.